Scorpions fans, I'm here with Adrian Can now. Tell me a little bit about this game on Saturday. It's obviously a big game. We've only lost once against Minnesota, and if we win, we can clinch a home field advantage here for the playoffs. So what's kind of the mentality with the team right now?
Yeah, I think it's, this past week we've been training really hard. It's been intense. The guys have been, putting a lot of work on the field, and I think this upcoming game against Minnesota, it's an important game because moving forward, once we're in the playoffs, we gain momentum through these games, and Minnesota's top of the table, and sure enough, when we do make it to the finals, we'll probably face them. So this game will pretty much foreshadow what's going to come next.
Now, would you say Minnesota is going to be one of the biggest challenges before the playoffs come?
I would say so. Minnesota as well as New York, but take it one game at a time, and I think that we don't necessarily have to focus on what that team has to, come against us with, but just focus on ourselves. And
awesome.
That's it.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Adrian. Good luck this Saturday.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So I'm here with Ryan Guide. Now, Ryan, there's a big game this Saturday night against Minnesota. We've only won against them one time. What's the mentality of the team right now?
At the moment, it's certainly looking to finish out the regular season strong, but at the same time, we've got our minds set on how we want to perform coming into the playoffs, and especially going against a team like Minnesota, who is a very good team, and at this point, our biggest rival. It's certainly a good test before we get into playoffs, because obviously we really hope to play them, I suppose, in the championship, and if that's the case, we want to see where we are against them. Obviously we'd love to get 3 points out of this and push on to possibly win this thing in the regular season, but at the same time, we know it's going to be a very good test for us, and hopefully put us in a good position going into the final week.
Now, after playing them a few times already this year, what would you say are some of the biggest challenges that they hold against the Scorpions?
They're very good tactically. As a team, their chemistry is fantastic as well. For us, our focus this week is on our performance and how we're looking, our formation, our tactics, and obviously looking forward to the playoffs, how we are performing personally and individually. And so if those things come together, just like any team, we're going to play well. We have the talent, and hopefully get those 3 points.
Awesome. Well, good luck this Saturday.
Thanks.